Oh, so yeah.
Number, wala akong number niya.
Hello? 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 Mosh? Mosh? Hello?
Ayan.
Relation pa rin.
Pinababa.
Hello?
Speak English. English.
Ano, oy?
Texting.
Ano daw? Ano?
Roman wanna say something. Hello? Roman wanna say something. I will interpret. You said what? I
have nothing.
You wanna say I first I. Then next is L. What's next?
Oh!
Very
good.
Hello? 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 Then V.
Oh, no, it's not C.
What's V? Then next is E.
Interpret.
As in.
Interpret.
E.
Hello.
You want? Do you guess what I mean?
Wait.
At first, she said I. Then next is L. Then O. Then V. Then E. Then M. F E. I love me.
I love me.
What?
I love it. It doesn't care about.
No, I'm mistaken.
You're wrong. You're very wrong.
Then I from the start. I will start from the start. I. Then next is L. Hello? Are you still awake?
Parang gisado ako.
Do you get me? Do you get what? I'm being nosebleeding, ha?
Ang hirap mag-explain yung English, ha?
I'm getting nosebleed, eh? From the start.
Again.
So I'm gonna wanna say something.
Yeah.
Then
What
I will
role wanna
I will interpret. One letter by letter. Letter by letter.
Si Fatma, tawa si Fatma.
From the start, she wanna say I.
No. She didn't want to say. He wanted to say.
Yes, you wanna say she. What? Whatever. That's all. No?
Parang nagigisahan tayo, ah. Ano ako dito, ah.
From the start. Hello? Still awake? Oh, you're still awake. From the start. Letter by letter, ah. Just note it. Take a note. Take a note, ah. You have a ball pen and paper and ball pen.
Spell it out.
I will spell it out. Hello? Huh?
Constructed by letter. Come again.
Yeah, I will spell it out. Do you have a ball pen and paper out there? Do you have a ball pen and paper? I will spell it out. Letter by letter. Do you have a ball pen? Boyfriend and paper.
Oh, boyfriend, eh? Boyfriend, eh?
Do you have a boyfriend and
Pwede mo
paper?
ka ng boyfriend, eh? Kumagana, eh? Can I talk to her? So do you have a boyfriend, eh? Hello? So do you have a boyfriend, eh? What? Come again, eh? I'm standing, eh? Is it, eh? Talk to Nathan, eh?
Hello. Are you ready? Let's get it on.
Yersey.
Are you ready?
Let's get it.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Romulus wanna say something.
I have nothing to say something.
I want you to press it. What? Ito my letter.
I mean, this is without... I have nothing to
Shut
say
it
with...
down.
She can, ano yun eh, she can speak
Hey,
it out.
hey, I
Ay,
mean...
she can speak it out.
I mean, this is
Ang
without
letter,
something...
hey. She's looking sign language. He's looking sign language only.
I mean, this is... Hey,
Ha?
listen, I mean, this is without...
Sabi niya sa... Again, mga sika dito. Hello? What? Oh.
Oh.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? What? Okay, on. A little less for a surprise given, hey?
Russian ass, man.
So, with the Russian, so,
Can you forward wherever can we call them?
so we can call Ronya,
No,
What?
no.
Oh, Chappy. What is Chappy? He was Chappy. So it's very...
Go higher with us, eh?
Hello, eh?
Go with that, good signal with that.
Eh, so...
Hey, Romulo, wanna say something?
Hindi, why you, so, bakit ka namin kinukulit? Pinagalog ko na, kasi hirap eh. Kasi si Romulo may sinasabi sa'yo.
Naglaga.
Si Romulo, Poblete, Famini, Junior, want to say something to you. Sabi
No, I have nothing to say, but I want something.
Hindi, may sinabi pa rin. Sabi. Ang Shopee shoot. Oh, kayari ka ba? Hindi, si Romulo may sasabihin sa'yo. Basta, ito, next na tawag mo ulit.
Bigyan mo.